Welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this tablet. And to open the control panel and then disable all unnecessary features like Wi-Fi if you don't need it right now. Disable Bluetooth, disable location services, and disable newbie share, disable full screen brightness if you have full, so you need to reduce your screen brightness. That's cool. The next step you can do is to enable the battery saving mode. So on this device you don't need to enable the dark mode because you have LCD screen and dark mode is useless here. Here next step to do is not to enable the dark mode, but open the battery and device care, find battery here and find power saving. In power saving, enable limit CPU speed and decrease brightness by 10% and click enable. Okay, now our device will live longer, but you can disable power saving mode. Scroll down, enable limit apps and home screen and click on. And now our device will live longer because we have only 10 applications that are working at the same time, and only 10 applications we can use. And of course, in this mode, our device will live longer. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.